Good afternoon, choppers. Hope everyone is well. All right, good to see all of you. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Choppers, don't forget to like and subscribe. Road to 3,000. Road to 3,000. All right. Yesterday we had Joel's release, and today we had preliminary ADP NFP results. As you know, that Friday is NFP day. This coming Friday is NFP day. I hope you are prepared. You're ready. We are going to stream from 2 p.m. Central African time. Right. Before I get to the comments, I want to start with the euro dollar. As you know that I've been bearish from Monday. We got our stream interrupted, but I think today we are back and we are fine. Hopefully everything will go well. Don't forget to like and subscribe, choppers. And if you need an account with Opta, just sign up there using my link and use promo code trade with MJ for 100% bonus, so that I can also add you to my private choppers funded group. Right, so as you know, we saw this as our price peak. We had fed 3 touches there at $1.12, and we anticipated that we break below this key significant area here. We might look to take selling positions to the downside. POC was trading at $1.1163. We traded below that. However, today we wanted to see if we can go back to at least $1.1128 to see if we can have some sell short positions to the downside. So as you clearly see, that it seems like the euro dollar is not interested in doing that. I wouldn't be surprised if we break below $1.10 just all the way to the downside there. So let's see what will happen during the course of the day. All right, currently trading at $1.10, 47. I wouldn't be surprised if we just break below that key level there. The people that have attended the 7 a.m. club, you do know that we are bearish on the euro dollar as well as the British pound USD. Today, we anticipated, and this is something that we also spoke about on Monday, that we are anticipating a strength from the dollar. The dollar might strengthen this week, and we anticipated that from yesterday. So yeah, let's see today. I want to see how I can climb this. If I'm going to take this as my intraday peak formation. If this is my intraday peak formation, then I'll be looking at taking my fib from where I am, depending on where this thing is going to find support. Then I can look into selling from that area there to the downside. All right. So yeah, still bearish on this thing. However, I think if we are not going to go back to $1.10.71, then I can look to see maybe on 5 minutes. This is how 5 minutes looks like. If I'm taking this as my 1, this is my 2, then as you know, there was 2 low, which is where I will find my Fibonacci retracement. Maybe I can find it at $1.1061 all the way to the downside. So let's see if we can find some resistance at that price there. Then we take it to the downside. British Pound USD, also bearish. We are also bearish on this. I like the fact that we broke below $1.33, somewhere around there. I want to see if maybe we can go back, trap, and have the initial drop there. Take your fib from this low, from that high to this low. You get your 786 there. That's where you find retracement and you find your resistance there, $1.3357. It's a good price for me to look for selling opportunities. That's however, if we are going to break above $1.3316. Right now we are below that, and I'm sure even fixed volume range will tell us that our POC is trading at $1.3380. So trading below it, I will just need to see if we can come back to that level. Right, on 5 minutes, if I'm gonna look for a position for me to scalp, this is what I'm going to do. I'll want to see if we can come back to this level here. Trap those that are going to commit early. When their stop losses have been taken out, I'm going to look for sell short positions there. Take my fib from this high to this low. Then we can probably have our selling opportunities at $1.3287. Right. I'm feeling a bit sleepy today. Woke up very early. I'm hoping that we'll find some energy. But yeah, I think I did my 8-hour sleep, but for some reason I'm just feeling this fatigue. Hopefully it's a good sign for profits today. Let's find out. AUD/USD. So AUD/USD, this was analysis from the 7 a.m. club. We wanted to get selling opportunities at $69. So we had two price points that we were looking at from yesterday. We wanted to see if we break above 69 cents, and if we were breaking above 69 cents, retest of that 69 cents, we're going to take buying opportunities. Hence, we also had to see if we can break below 68 cents, retest back to 68 cents, and take it to the downside. This morning when we analyzed it, we said we are going to look for these two candlestick patterns here at 68 cents rather, to go to the downside. As you see, all these pins here could have given you a selling opportunities. I'm most probably not sure, but the people that are on the funded group, you should be in a trade by now. You should definitely be in this trade by now. Moving nicely. How can we approach it today for this session? Break below, retest, then take it to the downside. Remember, AUD/USD is the only currency pair that we traded like commodities, indices, crypto, and stocks, right? Only AUD/USD. Gold. Right, gold, we had anticipation of $2,658 an ounce. This is where we want to find our resistance. And POC currently trading at 2,660. I sent this yesterday on the group that around this level, look for selling opportunities. But hence, this is what it did. It went above it, retested, and went back up. But we are now trading below that. 2,660 is a price you look at for the day. That's a price we were looking at yesterday, but we definitely need to look at it again today. All right. So yeah, I think if I find something again at this level, that these are the candlestick patterns I'll be looking at to take this thing to the downside. Right. WTI. Now, WTI, we wanted to be bullish. Since we broke above $69 per barrel, we wanted to see if maybe we can come back to this level and buy. But as you see, we didn't have a retracement back to that level. This thing just decided to go all the way up. A break above and a retest back to $71 an ounce, we can look for buying opportunities. So let me have a clean chart on it just to show you what I see currently. So we have some kind of resistance there. I don't know if that price is going to hold, but for us, anything that will come back to $671 per barrel would make sense for us to reload more positions to the upside. So we are bullish definitely on WTI crude. NAS 100. Right, NAS 100, we wanted to see if we can come back to 19,986. We can reload more positions to the downside. Currently, we don't have anything on NASDAQ. I'm going to have a clean chart on it just to indicate to you that NASDAQ has been trading in between 19,800 and 19,600. Right. So if we do break for this session, break below and retest 19,646, we'll definitely be looking for selling opportunities on NASDAQ. Right, this is US30. We wanted to get sell short positions from 42,000. As you see, we did get some juice there from 42,000, went all the way down and went back up again. All right, currently trading in range. Where is our fixed range at this particular moment of time? Right, trading above our POC. Anything that will break below the POC will call for selling opportunities. But the safest trade will be break below 41,900. That will be the safest trade. This one here. All right, German 40. Now, this is what we wanted from morning. We wanted to see, so when we analyzed this in the morning, I think we were trading just close to this resistance that we find here. We wanted to sell this. This was our analysis. As you can clearly see, we wanted to get sell short position from 19,200, and we did get that. So if you took it, nice one. Well done to you. It's a beautiful trade. How can we approach it now? Currently trading at 19,134. You break below this level here. Obviously, you can look to sell. Still going to remain bearish on this. Definitely going to be bearish on this. Okay. Right, USD Japanese, we wanted to see if we can have more buying opportunities at 143 Japanese yen, but we did not have that. Either way, it went our direction, but that is the strength that we spoke about on the euro dollar. Seems like our class captain started the session before it even started. Him and Tuso. Seems like they open the gates, open the classroom. Rory saying this that's the energy we need for the whole week. Indeed, we need some energy for the week. Enterprise point 42,000, stop loss 42,000, TP 42,563. Eugene, good to see you. It's been a while indeed. Rory's waiting for price to come at 42,168. Then he's going in. Good afternoon, Choppers and El Presidente from Kuto. The trading session says MJ start. There's money to be made. There's also money to be lost as well. Just bear that in mind, my friend. Possible sales on UJ, watch it. We'll have a look at that. Linda, you say good day, ladies and gentlemen. Kanyisile is already in a trade. I entered some buys on gold, $2,654 an ounce, and looking to hold price until 2000. Whoa, that's a bold move. Okay. Wanna hold until 2,700. That's a bold move, I gotta say. Trading session is saying possible gold buys. I'm bearish on gold. Proper explanation on Geo and straightforward. Agree with that data below 2,651. I see selling opportunities. Eugene is saying gold looking at to hit 2,680 before looking for shots. L Xeno saying AU Euro USD selling. Any thoughts? Yeah, I'm bearish also on Euro USD. I wanna see if I can have my 3, which is my execution point. I've got 1, and according to my rules, 2 to low, which is where I put my fee from high to the lowest point, and around $1.10. That's when I'm going to look for my selling opportunities on the euro dollar. The market just opened, so yeah, I've given it some time to breathe. So around this area there, depending on how quick it's gonna get there, and if I'm gonna get my rejection candle, then I'm gonna go all in for a sell. Yep. Taron said, good afternoon, Mr. President. Since Nontan said, Mr. President, Choppers back to reality. Yep. Rory saying, wear glasses, Mr. President. You look sleepy. Yep. Yeah, I am sleepy. I don't want to lie. And as you know, if I didn't get enough, I want to believe that I got 8 hours. But yeah, my eyes are red. I'm very sleepy, but we have to work. We have to do what we have to do. Remember, if this was my 9 to 5, I was never gonna tell my my boss that I'm sleepy. Therefore, I need to work. You are most probably right. I need to get my glasses. Because I'm also finding it hard to look at all the light coming in. Let me just get my glasses quickly. Alright, someone is gonna get me my glasses. I have a very good class captain here. We're saying I must get glasses. I agree with you, my friend. Sunday is saying, I'm sorry, I'm late choppers. Just took 6 USD to 18 USD, Mr. President. That's good. That's good. But as you know, I always say, as long as that $6 had a good risk reward, that's good. Remember, we measure how sustainable your business can be if you make a lot of money out of nothing, and it's because of risk reward more than anything. Okay. Right. Eugene is asking, any swing traders on the stream? Any swing traders? Right, for those that are gonna be joining me, I'm looking to sell this euro dollar at $1.10 60. This is where I'm looking to sell my euro dollar. Remember, I'm bearish for almost everything that has to do with the dollar. Right. Eugene is asking if there's any swing traders, still waiting for a response. Any swing traders in the house? I find a nice rejection candle on gold. These are the two candlesticks I'm looking at for me to start looking for selling opportunities. Remember, I said mark 2,660. That is our POC price. We're still going to have a look at our heat map. There you go, Eugene. You've got Kanyisile is saying that Kanyisile is saying I'm a swing trader as well. Ritabile is saying preparing my trigger on go. What are you doing there, Ritabile? Are you joining me with my sell or you're going to the upside? Alexeno is saying he's a swing trader as well. Clearly, you also have clearly there as a swing trader. Tuesday is looking for a long position entry price. Those are the prices there. We'll have a look at them. It's looking to go long on US30. Rory is agreeing with Tuso. Okay, we have the Euro week today. Dollar quite strong, hence I'm looking for selling opportunities on the dollar. AUD USD strong. We've got New Zealand also mild, and we've got Swiss franc also very weak. Japanese also very weak. So yeah, my dollar makes sense for me to still anticipate the strength there, right? If I reject with if I get a rejection candle there, I'll be looking for selling opportunities on this gold. But if I will break above my POC retest, then I'm gonna wait before I can look for selling opportunities, right? Remember, my selling opportunities, they have to come below this level here. They have to come before this level before I can consider them. Right, the tablet is going short on US30. Linda's asking, what risk percentage per trade would you recommend, Mr. President, and how many are open trades at the time? It's all about your leverage, my friend, and it's also all about what you are trying to achieve. You know, the thing with the one thing about our industry is that there are industry standards, right, where people that will tell you risk 2% per trade. These are just industry standards, but you find that those people are trading massive accounts, nothing less than maybe $100,000, just an example, right? And Linda, it will go back to what I usually say. Let it be personalized, but I cannot say risk 2% or risk 5% or risk, but what I will say is that risk as low as possible so that you can be in the game long time, right? Because if you risk 10%, it means that you've got 10 chances for you to blow your account, right? 10 chances, you're done. If you risk 5%, obviously you've got 20 chances, then you are done. So what I would say is that risk as low as you can. I cannot tell you percentage wise, but industry standards would say 2% is high. Some people will say 2% is high, right? Sometimes I don't mind risking 5%. I don't mind. Remember, with me, the way I've personalized it, I've made it in such a way that A grade, B grade, C grade. So I know that A grade I can risk 5%, B grade I can risk 2.5%, and A grade, maybe at C grade I can risk 1%. So let it be personalized, but do it in such a way that you know that your accuracy. I always say risk per trade, let it be calculated by how well your strategy is. If you know that your strategy is winning 50% of the time, you really cannot afford to have high risk per trade. So it goes back to data. What do you have so far? If you look at the past 3 months of the data that you have collected on a particular pair, say for example you look at euro dollar, right, and you're like, I want data for the past 3 months. You're doing back testing, and you find that back testing gives you maybe 40% accuracy, 50% accuracy. Obviously you cannot afford to go for a high risk per trade. But if percentage is high, then that means you can afford to go high per trade, right? Risk per trade, percentage wise, it can be high because of your strategy. Performance is high as well, you know. So I can't tell you risk 2% or 1%. But with me, 5% is A grade, 2.5 B grade, 1% C grade. I hope I answered you, my friend. Eugene is saying, nice to meet everyone. Swingers there, Kanyisile, Alexeno, Tlali. Yeah, you're joining the Eugene gang for swing trading. Kanye's asking me, Mr. Kgasi, what are your thoughts on silver? I'm currently holding some buys too. We'll have a look at it. And Retable just went short on gold. All right. My short has to come with a nice rejection below 2658, below that level. If it's above it, it's too risky. Right, seems like you're doing well on your silver, Kanye. I don't trade silver, by the way. It seems like if we can find support here and you break above it, obviously retesting it would make sense to look for buying opportunities. Selling opportunities, obviously, and if you are swinging this, I'm just analyzing this for those maybe that wants to swing it. What is telling you, the POC is telling you that this might be a consolidation between 31 and 32, right? So if you break below it, obviously you're gonna look for selling opportunities, but POC is just in the middle, right? This is for those that are swinging it. But if you wanna take intraday trades for today, for example, it's too high for my liking, but if you are swinging it, it makes sense to be holding those buys. But if you wanna get a position now, it's too high, it's too expensive. If you wanna buy now, it's too expensive. Rather wait for some retracement, then you can reload to the upside. Because right now it's too high, and chances are it will find support from where it is. I mean, it will find resistance rather from where it is. Troubles, don't forget to like and subscribe. Please do me a favor by liking and subscribing all the way We are all the way to 3,000 subscribers. I believe we can do more. I believe we can do more. I believe we can do more. Are we getting in a position on euro dollar? Not yet. Nothing also on GU. Gold looking good for SL. 15 minutes once we close below our POC. So please don't forget to like, subscribe. For those of you that wants to join our funded private group, there's a link just there below. Just sign up, use Octa link, and use my link rather. Use my link and sign up. Use promo code Trade with MJ for 100% bonus, so that I can add you on the funded group and do analysis with us every morning. Every morning we do analysis and some evening classes here and there, and you are able to communicate with other traders within the community. I'm going to ask you a question. Where do you think we are supposed to hold our next dinner in Pretoria? However, I feel like, why can't we ask you choppers where you want the next dinner? We had the first one in Johannesburg. It was great. It was good. Met some of you that are always on the stream here. Where do you want us to come for the dinner with the president? Let me know in the comment section, please. We haven't looked at the calendar this this afternoon. It's a Wednesday, bank holiday for Chinese yuan. We had ADP non-farm employment change. Preliminary results were out, and the dollar did quite well. Forecast was 124,000, and they had 143,000 targets, or they reached or went beyond their target. We don't have much, or at 4:30 crude oil inventories. That won't even do much. It's medium impact. All right. Something that you also need to bear in mind, if you are using investing.com, just always check your investing.com and Forex Factory. There are times where investing.com will tell you high impact and Forex Factory will tell you low impact. Just check that out at times. Right, seems like gold wants to close below our POC. The euro dollar is gone, moving nicely to the downside as anticipated. Also, the British pound USD. Let's see AUD USD. Also moving nicely down to the to $68. NASDAQ still finding consolidation. We have not been having massive movements on NASDAQ lately. Eh? We have not been having that. US30. Anything that breaks below 42,000, you know, I'm gonna look for selling opportunities there. But I think what's looking promising for me right now is to see how this gold reacts at these areas here. I wanna see that. All right, last time I asked you a favor, Choppers, and I'm going to ask you that favor again today. Please, just take a screenshot of the stream, tag us on your Instagram. My Instagram link is just on the description there. So that we can ask others to subscribe. We need to move, Choppers, we need to move. Let's hit that 3,000. Let's hit that 3,000. We are almost there. Almost there. Almost there. All right, Choppers, we're currently sitting at 2,989 subscribers. So we only need 11 people to subscribe and we are on 3,000. You tell me, what should we do? Can we reach 3,000 during the stream? That would be amazing to see. That would be amazing to see us hit 3,000. And I know some of you, because you are traders, you capitalize a lot. You will unsubscribe and subscribe again. That will not work. We just need 11 people to subscribe on our channel. Let's make it happen, Choppers. Let's make it happen. Tag us and put it everywhere that you want somebody to subscribe. This is your channel after all. I'm depending on you, Choppers. Let's hit 3,000. Can we hit 3,000 during the stream? Let's hit 3,000 subscribers during the stream, Choppers. I believe we can do it. If gold and US30 don't trigger, let me do this. If gold and US30 don't trigger my entries in the next 30 minutes, I'm out of the day. One of my rules, Rory there got his rules there in place. That's good to see. We have people that are having rules. Linda is saying we need to have this thing in Pretoria. Eugene is saying sticking to your rules is very important. Rory, yeah. Retable is saying we're looking good on gold. Yeah, but I haven't taken my traders yet. I want to be sure of how this is going to close. I'm seeing a reversal pattern on 5 minutes that might give us a slight push up to 2,650 on gold. We are waiting for that guy to be elected next month. Yeah, most definitely. Like I said, Choppers, I need someone to stream with me. If you have a good PC, or it can be a laptop, or you have a good internet, You don't have to be a guru. You don't have to be good. I just need somebody to stream with me live here. You don't have to come to where I am. You will stream from your home or your office, depending. Okay. I've asked you choppers to send me a WhatsApp. Someone suggested to be there, but I've asked that person to send me a WhatsApp. I still haven't received a WhatsApp of someone who wants to stream with me, choppers. I still haven't received. So I'm waiting for you. So yeah, Eugene, it's just a matter of time. I'm ready. But I haven't received anyone who said they want to stream with me on the Market Madness. So I'm just waiting. Right, choppers. We are now sitting at 2,991. So we need 9 people. Only 9 people. And we are officially on 3,000. Choppers, let's try to do it. Go on your whatever, any social media platform that you have, just screen grab and ask your family and friends to subscribe to our channel. Well, don't do that without me, please. You need to wait for me. You need to wait for me. All right. The only way I'm gonna look for NASDAQ sells is if I break below 19,600. That's the only way. Let's do it, choppers. 9 people to go for us to hit 3,000 during the live stream. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Eugene is saying, I'll text you on Instagram. I'll have a look at it now, my friend. Murid is saying, anything is possible in terms of subscribers going the way up. Thanks for this morning video. It really did me great. Yeah, I sent the choppers funded the video about morning routine around 4:30 in the morning. Choppers don't sleep. Choppers don't sleep. Tell you what, choppers, you know sometimes as much as sometimes you wake up in the morning because of you are bothered by something, right? I think I will have to lower a volume for this one. So as much as sometimes you have issues and you cannot sleep and all that, you must also have nights where you just wake up in the middle of the night and you are bothered by your dream, right? Not the dream that you dream, but you are bothered by the vision. You are bothered by what you want to achieve. Just wake up in the middle of the night and it's bothering you. It's buggering you. You have a dream, you want to achieve it, And this whole dream doesn't include you and your family. It includes a lot of people. And you just wake up in the middle of the night, whether you want to do your prayers or what. But yeah, I like saying, if you wake up in the middle of the night, always do your prayers, man. Always do your prayers. Talk to God. Tell him what's bothering you or what you are grateful for, right? So, we need to dream big, Chobas. Trading accounts is not enough. Trading just firms is not enough. We need to go beyond that. We need to go beyond that. Right, gold looking good for those of you that are already in. Harman is saying, please do you mind checking your USD with me? Absolutely. So Harman, this is what we wanted to do. I actually wanted to get some sell short positions on the euro dollar because I've always anticipated a strong dollar from Tuesday, right? So I wanted to get a retracement back at $1.10.60 so that I can go all the way down. I did not get that, however. I just let it start. This is my I had my 1 here, my 2 here, put my fib from 2 to low, and this now becomes invalid, right? My fib becomes invalid because it has broken below my 0 point, right? But yeah, I'm bearish on it, depending on whether you're gonna swing it or not. But I'm still bearish on this thing. We broke below support that we had for quite some time there, $1.1050. Let's see if maybe we can go up a bit and still reload to go to the downside. So bearish on euro dollar. Bearish on the euro dollar. Alright, choppers, we need to get those subscribers coming. We're still waiting for 9 people. 9 people to join the Choppers Funded. I mean the live stream. Always having interactions with the Choppers Funded. But if you do want to join the Choppers Funded, you know what to do. Fund your account and trade with me daily. Trade with me daily. If you have not watched the latest psychology video on the channel, check it out. The latest one, I think we dropped it on Monday. Check it out and learn something. Do you think we should continue with the psychology videos? Let me know if you want us to continue with the psychology videos. Because I think we're going to come to a point where we have to choose whether we're going to do the live streaming or the psychology videos. Do you think we should continue with them? Are they helping you anyway? Eugene, just double check there how you tagged me on. Did you just follow or did you also tag me? Because I cannot find you on Insta. Just double check there. Harman is also bearish on the euro dollar. Rory saying with 30 minutes we had invest and pattern on gold, which was a fake movement. The choppers So choppers, I'm anticipating a long position on NAS 100, waiting for price to retrace at 19,759, SL 19,715, TP 19,867. All right. As for me, NASDAQ needs to break below. I'm not looking for any positions on NASDAQ for the buy side, right? I'm only looking for selling opportunities on NASDAQ, as well as US30, as well as German, right? Those are the only things I'm looking to sell today. I'm selling. Unless if I buy USD Japanese, but you know I don't trade Japanese pairs. Right, let's go, choppers. We are sitting on 2,993 subscribers. That's not price, by the way, because I know some of you are gonna try to look for that price on the charts. 2,993 is the subscribers. We have 7 more subscribers, choppers. We can do it. Let's do it during the stream. 7 more people to go. 7 more people to go subscribe. Remember to take me on Insta as well. Seven more people to go. 7 more people to go, and we hit 3,000 subscribers. We can do it. We can do it. I believe we can do it. Right, I like what I see on gold trading below what we had anticipated. So the price held at 2,660. For those that are still holding the gold, I don't know what would you do, my friend, if you exited the trade. But just because it went down few pips your direction, it doesn't mean it's a win. It simply means you are still in the game. You are currently safe. All right. Let me sell at the high. If I go up a bit, I'm all in for a sell on gold. Muridi saying we should continue with the psychology videos. If Tuesday saying price gets to 19,865, having not failed me, I'm considering the trade to be invalid. Just to say, what I've noticed, Mr. President, is that whenever you plan to take short positions on my analysis, I'm always looking for longs, and mostly my TP will be at your POC. Right. So I think too. So every time I wanna go short, you know where you're gonna put your stop loss so that you make money quickly before the trade goes my direction. Very true. Can you still say very true about dreams, because exposure to the next level breeds and intolerance of your situation. Nature really forces up upon your minds, man, the influences of the environment. Indeed. Yeah, man, let's dream big. We dream big, we do big, right? It's not enough to dream big and you're doing nothing about the bigness of your dream. Bro is saying, Mr. MJ, Uritia Biang, subscribers and price. Yeah, I'm just saying, my friend, you know, because we talk price here, when you hear the subscribers, you want to take a buy on 2993 only to find out that's a number for subscribers. Linda saying, please continue, Mr. President, and talk more about your experiences as a trader. Yeah, I like talking about my experiences. It makes me heal, and it also makes me feel good that somebody can learn from my mistakes. El Zino saying, look out for euro dollar, $1.10, 36 might bounce back up. We'll have a look. That dollar continues to be bearish. Euro dollar continues to be bearish. Rentably said TP hit on gold, waiting for slight push to 2,659. Then I'm short again. 2,659. Okay. That's exactly where I have mine as well. Reload to the downside. Tell me something, Rita. What was your risk reward on this one? What was your risk reward on this one? One could have said, Mr. President, why didn't I take it there? Mitigating risk. It closed below POC, but didn't close below my key significant area. Rory saying subscribers are coming. Let's check. $2,994. Let's go. So we need 6 people. We can do it, choppers. We need 6 people. Only 6 people. And we are going to be on 3,000 subscribers. Choppers, I believe we can do it. I believe and I know and I believe in you guys. I believe in you guys. We can definitely do it. We can definitely do it. We can do it, choppers. We can do it. $2,995. We need 5 people, 5 more people to hit 3,000 subscribers. We shall look back on this day one time and say we were looking at 3,000 subscribers and we're now sitting on 1 million. I believe it's possible. Look, I'm looking for a better way to say it. Revolution is coming in this trading industry in Africa. I'm telling you. And the Choppers Nation are the people that I have hope in that they will bring that revolution. Definitely. Definitely. So yeah, let's do it. So we're getting there. 3,000 subscribers. The event projects essay is saying, hi Givens, are you a professional trader or a retail trader? That's a very powerful question. So if you look at the difference between the two, so normally professional traders are considered to be people that are trading on behalf of institutions like hedge funds, investment schemes. Those are called professional traders. Retail traders are merely people that are trading their own capital. So with me, I would say I'm a bit of both, because I'm trading some capital for a small institution, but it's me also having some interest on that institution, not employed as a trader, but employed as a director. So yeah, a bit of both. Then I'm also trading some small capital that I have, also trading some funds from a pro firm. Right. Yeah, so bit of both, but if I'm gonna try to be humble, I would say, yeah, a retail trader. Okay, Rita went for 1:2 for that position. Good to see. Eugene is asking, what sound are you going to play once we hit 3K subscribers? I don't know. You tell me, my friend. I don't know. The Eben is saying, cool, thanks for being honest. Subscribe with the notification. Thank you for subscribing, my friend. Welcome to the Choppers Nation. Murid is saying, I highly believe and agree with you in terms of revolution in this industry. Yeah, let's do it. Charlie is asking, how do you manage all these accounts that you are trading? So on an institution level, remember, like I said there, I'm trading just as a director. I'm not trading that account alone. I have people that I trade that account with. And the small accounts and the pro firm accounts is very easy to trade them. So it's not like I have thousands of accounts. I think if you count my initial account, the pro firm, as well as, but the pro firm account is not something that I pay too much attention to. Here and there, I will trade it. So it's not my priority. My main priority is my day-to-day account. So the other one that I trade with my partners, it's not only me alone. It's not only me. So yeah, it's not a lot. It's not a lot, Charlie. Ponzo is saying, hi traders, I'm new here, Mr. MJ. Can I ask, when are we having traders to stream with you? Would be glad to hear. Okay, I'm waiting, my friend. I'm waiting. I haven't gotten anyone. Remember, I said, WhatsApp me, guys. If you want to stream with me, you have a good internet, and you have a good PC that doesn't have issues, and you have a good camera, even if it's a phone that has good quality, right? You can, or your PC has a good webcam. Look, you qualify. Like I said, you don't have to do much. You don't have to do much to be on the stream, right? You don't have to do much. Tuso is saying, forced my sister to subscribe in return for taking over the cooking for the day. Yeah, I think let's give Tuso class captain for today. I think Tuso deserves it. Tuso is gonna be washing the dishes for the choppers today. You deserve to be the class captain. That's leadership. Thank you, comrade. Thank you, comrade. We appreciate that. That's leadership right there. That's leadership right there. She's not saying, I will whistle. Yeah, something that I cannot do. But for choppers, since other people are washing dishes, I will whistle. It's fine. I don't mind whistling. My whistle is bad, but I will do it. If we hit 3,000 subscribers, I'm going to whistle. I'll definitely whistle. 2996. 4 more people to go. Come on, choppers. Tell your family and friends to subscribe. Tell your family and friends to subscribe. Let's do it. Let's do it. 3,000 subscribers on the stream. Yeah, Tuso took one also for the team today. Gonna do the dishes. I hope you win all your trades. I pray you win all your trades. Because I can imagine if you lose all your trades and you're washing those dishes and say, I took one for the team and I lost. So I hope you win. Eben project is asking, do you have an agreement, IB agreement with Okta? So yeah, there's a difference between being an IB and having a sponsorship. So I don't have a contract with IB contract, but my company, Trade with MJ, it's a company on its own. Trade with MJ Pty Limited, it's a company on its own and it's sponsored. So it's not IB, it's sponsorship, right? So that's the difference. Sponsorship simply means they come and they give us resources to do what we are doing. IB is when you onboard people. Maybe you want to get a bit of commission there per standard lot. Here and there, they're giving you something for every trader that trades. But sponsorship is a total different thing. It's on an agreement on its own. So yeah, the agreement is with my company, not with me. I always say when you see me appear, I will appear as an individual, but I've got mad respect for this company. I've got mad respect for Trade with MJ. It's a company on its own and I work for Trade with MJ. I'm employed by Trade with MJ. Let's go, choppers. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see how many subscribers are we on now. Reticent gold 5 minutes. I think we might be going down. We might be going down with a slight push up. Bearish all the way today, my friend. Bearish all the way. Bearish all the way. Tuso is saying, thanks, Mr. President. My US30 is already 75% in profits. Yeah, man, you need to hit that TP. Tuso, TP1 hit. Good to see. Retably is saying, Rory, I'm currently waiting for a slight push up, but I'm also feeling like, you see, feelings there, your feelings. We don't trade feelings, we trade what we see. What is your setup saying and what are your rules saying? I believe we can do it. 3,000 subscribers before the end of the stream. Well, the stream is not ending anytime soon. Don't trade with feelings, my friend. Don't go into a trade because you feel like it. This is what happens. With my experience of trading with many traders for years, especially running the trading floor, is that I've seen people enter trades because things are going right for other traders. So just because a lot of people caught this nice selling pressure and the strength of the dollar as anticipated, it doesn't mean you need to go in, my friend. Look at what your book is saying. What are your rules saying, right? It's something that you need to work on. Don't trade with feelings. You always make mistakes. You always make mistakes. Herman is saying deep blues. Deep blues on euro dollar, though a small account. Herman, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter whether it's a big account, it's a small account. For the fact that you are trading, man, it simply means that you are having some hope in this business. It doesn't really matter. Tuso, yeah, done for the day. At least Tuso is done for the day. I'm gonna hold you to that, my friend. Please don't take another trade because we've got dishes to wash tonight. The Evan is saying, I lost my job, so I want to start trading. I'm going to the bull run because of you this Saturday. Oh, wow. That's amazing, man. That's amazing. Do it, man. Do what you have to do. All the best with look, even if you lost your job, it's an opportunity. You know, I always say every time I lose something in my life, I always ask myself, what am I giving birth to? What am I giving birth? So you might have lost your job, my friend, but I'm telling you, something is definitely there. You just need to go look for it. You just need to go look for it. Eugene is saying GJ is moving nicely, been holding since yesterday during the New York session. I've noticed that it seems like GJ is your friend, Eugene, my friend. Katie Wembele is saying, hi, Mr. Press. I have been referred by Mr. Rorisang. I have subscribed. Thank you so much. Welcome. Yeah, thank you, Rory. Thank you. Leadership, another comrade doing what comrades usually do. These comrades of choppers, they don't loot, they recruit. Right, choppers, we are sitting at 2,998. Let's get that subscriber. Let me see. I want to check something here. Quickly. I want to see something. $2,999. Choppers, we are left with one subscriber before we hit 1,000. I mean 3,000. What's happening with my maths? I was talking about comrades. Now you see what happens. Right, choppers, we can do it. Another subscriber there. Let's get a subscriber there. One more subscriber, we hit 3,000. One more subscriber, we hit 3,000. I'm actually recording this so that I can post it for you guys on Instagram or on our groups. One more subscriber. Gold is looking good. People are making money. Subscribers are going up. Well, I couldn't think of another better day. One more subscriber. Let's do it. One more subscriber. It's updating live. One more subscriber and you're gonna get a whistle from me. I've never whistled before in some time. Maybe last time I whistled was a long time ago. So I'm willing to whistle. Blow a whistle. A flate, for those of you that know it as a flate, I'm going to give you guys a flate. 2,999. We need one more subscriber. Choppers, go tell your family, your friends. 3,000 subscribers. It is official. Choppers, we have done it. We have just officially hit 3,302 subscribers. That's my whistle there. It's a bad one. It's not a taxi rank whistle. This is a whistle from private school. So it is a whistle at the end of the day. Well done, choppers. Thank you so much. We needed this. We needed this as a family. We needed this as a nation. We needed this. Chovicho. 3,000 subscribers, choppers. Yeah, we only started this channel last year. Believe you me, we started last year, and with the hope of doing something. So yeah. We thought we can do it. I've always had a dream, man. There's a gentleman by the name Lorenzo. He has always inspired me to start a live trading session. I've always wanted to do this. My family knows, my friends, they know that I've always wanted to have a channel where we're gonna have live streaming daily. Rita is saying, which one is this one? Already mocking my flate. It's a flate from private school. Leave it as it is, my friend. Leave it as it is. Harman was saying, one subscriber, come on. Oh, we are already sitting on 3,003, right? 3,003. Proud of you guys. Proud of you. You really deliver. Tell you what, once we're in government, we don't need a GNU. We don't need the government of national unity. We can run the country on our own. With this pace, with this mentality, we don't need the GNU. For those that have taken gold, looking good, man, looking smart, all the way from 2,640, I said mark that price. It's a price that we can be looking at. Does it bother me that I'm not in? Absolutely not. For the fact that it went my direction, it shows me that my analysis, my strategy works. It shows that I didn't get a good price for entry. But for those that have taken it, well done to you guys. You've done well. You've done well. Right, let's see. Rita was saying I must start looking for a song. So now we agreed I'm gonna have a whistle. Tondani is saying Chovicho, little bro closed it. He just subscribed. Tuso. It seems like Tuso's family, they're subscribing left, right, and center. Oh, thanks. Please send my regards to them, my friend. Rita is saying our president. Usually say I'm just blowing air. Yeah, I don't have a good whistle. I don't have it. Rory saying 2 subscribers. Choppers from my side. Well done. Thank you, Rory. Well done. Sis Nontland is saying that whistle, Mr. President, is giving Japanese pass. Yes, I agree with you. But it is alright. I'll work on my whistle. I'll work on it. Yeah. Tell you a true story. I've had dogs all my life, and I never blew any whistle, right? So for the fact that you saw how bad my whistle is, then your secrets are safe with me. Then that means I'm not a good whistleblower. Yeah. Cities are saying it's our pleasure, my good sir, to be a chopper. Let's grow the community, continue to chop and make our dreams come true. Got the massive respect for y'all. Thank you so much. Right, we have people that have hit TP1, TP2. Good to see. The Evan Project saying you are inspirational. Hence, I followed you. The modesty in you says it all. Thank you so much. Really appreciate that. It seems like Harman had a bet. GJ, yeah, Japanese pairs, my friend. They're always issues for my trading style, but for you, they could work nicely. All right, gold moving nicely. Euro dollar bearish as we had anticipated, again going all the way down. British pound, let's have a look at British pound, also going all the way down as we had anticipated. Our gold going all the way down. AUD USD going all the way down. NASDAQ, that's the only one that is not going down as anticipated, or as forecasted, but it's fine. We will wait to see break below and retest 19,636. We're going down. US30 also waiting to see if we can break below, retest 41,900, go all the way down. German 40, yeah, we wanted to see if we can break below 19,000 and break and retest 19,000. We're going all the way down. If we are having new subscribers that are here, that have just joined us today, welcome to the Choppers Nation. I'll be your president. We've got a deputy there. He goes by the name Rory. We've also got the Secretary General, SG Maisela. Is not here today. SG, we don't see you. Someone will take your position. We need to form a committee as soon as possible. Our next elections in the Republic of South Africa, the elections are coming. We need to prepare and form government. So, yeah. I think I'm going to look at someone who's always preaching risk reward here. And I think that person can hold the finance minister portfolio. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if you are seeing what is happening with the war, but I'm just worried, man, with us, if something can happen in our country, looking at defense ministry. Eh? So, yeah, we need to work hard, get into government and sort things out. Let's see our heat map for the trading session. Right, that dollar continues to be strong as we had anticipated that the dollar will be strong today. Euro weak, British pound weak, Swiss franc weak, Japanese yen weak, Singapore dollar weak, Hong Kong dollar strong, and we are having a Chinese yuan that is trading in between, holding some strength there between other majors there. But remember, it's a bank holiday in China. Let's see what is happening with our WTI crude. Right, WTI crude, this is where we want to find support. If we close with a nice rejection candle there or something like this, we're going to look for buying opportunities, more or less the same as what we saw with this gold here. All right, gold is trading at 2,642, well expected from yesterday. 2,660 was the price that we've been looking at, and it seems promising for the sell side. NASDAQ still consolidating, US30 still consolidating, so we don't have anything. Bitcoin, we wanted to see if we can have some positions all the way to the upside from where we are currently trading at 61,366. So we will wait for this, especially because we want to take this on 4 hours, swing trade this all the way to the upside, anticipating. So this is what I was discussing with the 7 a.m. club in the morning, that I'm quite conflicted because I'm seeing a strong dollar, and I'm also expecting that bull run coming from BTC, right? So it's an issue for me. So I think I'll be on the sideline just to observe this thing. All right. Don't forget, this coming Friday, we are streaming from 2 p.m. Since it's NFP, let's trade NFP together. As you know, I don't trade before the news, but I'll be hanging around with you guys, making decisions on how we're going to take advantage of NFP just 15 minutes after the news release. So we are starting from 2 p.m. Please make sure that you have tuned in around 2 p.m. on Friday. All right, choppers, I will need to take a 1 minute break. Just need to rush to the bathroom. I'll be with you now. Please don't go anywhere. We are still trading. Herman is saying, why do I always find it hard to hold a trade to TP? When I see a small rejection candle, I feel like closing. It's in the mind. It's in the mind. Watch my latest psychology video on the same channel. it's called cognitive dissonance. Human beings are designed to protect themselves when they see a negative thing happen in front of their eyes. We are designed like that. Hence, you will find that 100 people can say you are a good person. One person can say you are a bad person. And you can think about what one have said and forget about the other 99% that have said you are a good person. So it happens. It's something that you need to deal with, and you just always need to tell yourself what is it that you are trying to achieve before entry of any position. Try to know what is it you are trying to achieve with your position, right? You are not the only one. All of us are designed like that. It's a defense mechanism. We are trying to protect ourselves from any bad thing that we see come. So always know where you need to come out. Always have your TP there, not a mental one, but a proper TP there, and tell yourself the trade has to do what it has to do. Maybe put hours or minutes into how long you hold, depending. Remember, with me, I'm on the, if I take 30 minutes, 15 or 5 minutes trade, I need to be in the trade for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, if I'm not in TP or stop loss is also not triggered, then I need to close it manually. Right? Those are just my rules. If you look at all the trades that I always try to take, I make sure that they hit TP almost immediately, because I trade where liquidity is, and POC always helps me. This fixed range volume always helps me to look for those positions. So hence, if I took this one here, within 45 minutes, I was going to hit my TP nicely. So even on the euro dollar, if I had my sell there, I was going to hit my TP almost immediately. AUD USD, if you check as well, it took a bit of time, but depending on what's going to happen from this area here until here, 2 hours has already come in. I was going to take my TP maybe around 75% profits or so. So maybe you can put timing into your trades, that you must be in a trade for how long. But don't just do it because of you have an issue of closing trades when you see rejection. Do it because you have data on it, that how long does it normally take for you to hit stop loss, and how long does it normally take for you to hit TP. This AUD needs to break and retest 68 cents. Then we're going to reload down. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget that Friday we are streaming from 2 p.m. This Friday, we are streaming from 2 p.m. And for those of you that wants to get mentorship as well as coaching from me, sign up with the link down below, my Okta link. Sign up, send me a WhatsApp that you have signed up, and I'll add you on my group. I'll just write down the number shortly. Right, send me a WhatsApp once you're funded. And some of you, I know that maybe you might not have money now. It doesn't take anything away from you just to sign up in the meantime. Put your name, your surname there, sign up. If they say send documents, and once you have the funds, you can always load the funds in your account. Let's see that WTI. Are we finding rejection candle? Not yet. POC at $72 per barrel. So this obviously is going to be a big rate because we are trading below our POC. US30 seems like it wants to go to the upside. Still, I'll wait for it to come down for me to look for selling opportunities. NASDAQ also moving all the way to the upside. It's about to break that 19,800 mark. But we need to break retest for us to look for selling opportunities because it's still consolidating. Japanese is very weak. Against all majors, it's down by 1%. Down by minus 1.47% against the euro, minus 1%, 1.6%, down by 1.74%, down by 1.5%, down by 1.5% against the New Zealand, 5%, 1.5% against the British, down by 1.75% against CAD, down by 1.2, 1.85 against the Hong Kong. Man, it's bad for the Japanese. Japanese is doing what we know it to do. Never strong. Japanese is never strong. Right, choppers, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys, and I hope you keep warm and you keep yourself safe in this season. We are approaching the festive season, and we need you to be in a good state, and we need to be trading till then. Thank you so much for your time. Like I said, if you want to get an account with Okta, just sign up using my link. Use this promo code Trade with MJ for 100% bonus. Let me know on WhatsApp that you have funded, and you can get access to my private group. We normally have our 7 a.m. club in the morning. I believe that once you are in there, you are able also to send your setups and have discussion with like-minded traders in the same community, where you can also ask me questions related to business in general, as well as trading also in general. So sign up and send me a WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is just there on the comment section, and I'll make sure that I add you on the group as soon as possible. All right. Thank you so much for your time, choppers. It was great being with you. And once more, thank you for all the subscribers who have subscribed today. We have hit 3,000. Now it's road to 4,000. We can do it, choppers. I believe so. Thank you so much. Cheers. Enjoy and have a blessed evening. Cheers. Bye.